As a trader, even with an impeccable trading strategy, achieving substantial rewards can still be challenging. With limited funds at your disposal, your potential earnings are restricted. To earn significant rewards, you need access to substantial funds, something not everyone has. This is where proprietary trading comes in. In prop trading, the firm you partner with provides you with virtual funds to trade. Using these funds, you trade in a simulated environment but earn real rewards for yourself. This setup allows you to generate profits without risking your own money, as the prop firm absorbs the risks and potential losses. It's an ideal solution for traders aiming to maximize their rewards with minimal financial risk. That's the essence of proprietary trading.